For years, the home barista world has been waiting. We've seen good machines, even great ones, but the holy grail of automated, perfect cappuccino? It's always been just out of reach. Until now. Leaked documents, early prototypes, we've pieced it all together. What you're about to see isn't just a new product. It's a revolution in a cup. The machine you never knew you needed is coming, and it will make every other machine on your countertop obsolete. This is the future. Number 1. Breville BES 870XL Barista Express. Do you need that hot cup of coffee as you run out the door? If so, then the best espresso machine for you is the Breville Express. The design of this machine allows you to start sipping your drink in under a minute. With a choice of manual or automatic operation, you are guaranteed cafe-style results every time. Interchangeable filters and the ability to grind coffee beans just moments before extraction keeps coffee fresh and aromatic. A grinder equipped with a conical bird delivers the perfect amount of coffee grounds into a portafilter. Your preferred taste is Breville's top concern. Any roast of bean can be used in this espresso machine without the worry of oils clogging up the grinder. For optimal temperature and extraction is delivered using PID, a digital temperature control. This allows the espresso machine to heat the water to required temperature and give you an espresso extraction perfectly done. Number 2. Gaggia Brera, Silver. The Gaggia Brera Super Automatic Espresso Machine is designed to fall into the low to mid-range market of the best super automatic espresso machines. It will fit onto any countertop due to its compact design. A key feature of this espresso machine is the pre-infusion brewing system. This system is developed to get the most out of your beans, including the best aroma with no bitter taste. Once the beans are ground, they are tamped and soaked before the machine starts extracting all the flavor. For quick access and ease of cleaning, the drip tank and water tank are located at the front. You will have to stay on top of the cleaning, though. The components are plastic and need to be maintained regularly to avoid residue buildup and having to replace parts. Number 3. Mr. Coffee One-Touch CoffeeHouse Espresso Maker. Mr. Coffee Espresso Machine is bringing the CoffeeHouse into your home. This semi-automatic espresso machine has great features for at-the-home coffee connoisseur. To take out all the guesswork, Mr. Coffee has designed its espresso machine with a one-touch interface system. No need to think too hard before you have had your first cup. You have the option of 1 or 2 shots as well as an automatic milk frother. You will enjoy light and airy froth with every cup. Milk reservoir is easily removed in order to fill with milk in store or clean. Adjustable drink trays allow you to choose whatever size cup you want. Number 4. Nespresso Pixie Espresso Machine by Delonghi with Aeroccino. Elegance and functionality come together to create the Nespresso Pixie Espresso Machine by Delonghi. A large range of features, this machine offers a sleek, compact design with fantastic energy efficiency. The Nespresso Pixie Espresso Machine lives up to its name and reputation of producing high-end technology. With the Aeroccino technology, a finely textured, smooth milk froth is guaranteed every time. You can also choose the temperature of your milk froth. Hot or cold, it is your preference. If a cafe latte or cappuccino is what you are wishing for, the automatic system of this machine will make it come true. So, there you have it. The machines that will redefine your morning ritual in 2026. If you're as excited as I am and want to be the first to know when these launch, every single product link for pre-orders and more information will be waiting for you in the video description below. If this glimpse into the future of coffee got your heart racing, do me a huge favor and smash the like button. Let me know in the comments which of these futuristic machines you're most excited about.